Premium stainless steel 304 food grade stainless steel inner pot and brushed stainless steel housing. BPA-free food grade materials, removable nylon filter for easy cleaning, easy to view water window. Fast boil. This 1500W electric kettle has concealed heating elements and can boil up to 1.7 liters of water in 5 to 7 minutes, quicker and safer than a microwave. Start your day with a cup of instant coffee or tea. Precise safe, with the professional British Strix thermostat controlling system, world's leading thermostat. This kettle can automatically shut off when the water is boiling. Additionally, it has boil-dry protection. Friendly design, cool touch handle with a simple release button and pop-up lid to protect you from accidental burns. 360-degree swivel base is connected with UL standard power cord for safe usage and convenient storage. Easy clean. Use white vinegar, baking soda, water, cleaning bottle brush and microfiber cloth to clean your kettle and keep it looking new. Included components. COMFEE stainless steel cordless electric kettle 1.7 liter. Top reviews from the United States. Instant coffee best friend. In my household we drink a lot of instant coffee and this has been a time saver for sure. It boils water extremely fast compared to our stove kettle. Is so easy to clean and the best feature is that you turn it on and it turns off automatically. It has a light indicator, so is great for busy mornings when we need to multitask in order to leave the house. Is so worth your money, highly recommend.